Hello guys, welcome again. In this video we are going to learn how we can create functions in Go language. So for creating a function we have to use the keyword func, then the function name, then we pass the parameter like num1, data type of the parameter second, then data type of the same parameter, and then we have to pass a return type, and then we have to start function and close function. So this is the return type here we have to pass. So as I am passing here the num1 and num2 as an integer, then I return it that num1 plus num2. So this return value will go here. Now for another function I can create, I say func, I say multiply mul, and I say num1 comma num2, and here I am passing int. Remember that this declaration is little bit different, but by two way we can pass parameters or we can declare parameters in Go language. Like this, individually I create this parameter and pass the data type, then again I create the data type or variable and pass the data type here. But if I know these two data types or all other data types are of integer type only or any other type, all parameters are same, so I can pass the value at the end only. So that means num1 and num2 both are of integer type. So that is the another way or the second option to create parameter in Go language. Then we have to pass a return type. That means we do not need to declare these parameter again and again as an integer, just create a variable and pass the data type at the last. Now again I have to return it and I say num1 multiply num2 like this. Now we have to call these functions. For that we have to create the main function like this, and here I can call this function. For calling a function, what I have to do, I have to create a variable also. So I am creating the s equal to colon equal to, because we are creating a variable also and we are getting a value from the sum function like this. And now I just use fmt dot println to print the result of the value. Sum of two number is equal to comma, then we pass here s like this. Again if I want to call the multiplication, then m any variable and then mul function, and here I'm passing the value, then fmt dot println, and again I say multiplication, multiply of two number is equal to, and then comma, and I am passing here m. So you see, like this we are calling this function, passing a parameter and returning a value in the s variable. Similarly we are calling a mul function and we are getting a value in m and we are passing here. So I just save it and I try to run it, and you will see the sum of two number is this and multiply of two number is this. So like this way we can create the functions also and we can call the functions also. So remember that we have a two types of way to create a parameter. Individually we can create, or at once we can pass the data type and all these parameter will be of integer type. So like this we can create the functions in Go language. Thank you for watching my video.